Hello guys, this is Amar, the best YouTuber. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video, and today I'm making a FC25 pack opening. So, I got 381 plus times 2 packs, and 80 plus times 80 plus player pick. So, let's start with the worst one, the player picks. Let's see if I can get something. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video. Let's see. Seriously? Gonna get this. And her. Okay. Confirm. Start on club. So now it's time for these packs. These I could get like really high back players. So like the moment of truth. And also you should follow me on TikTok too. My name is Omar Sabban 15580. Omar Hussein 15580. Yeah, sorry. So time to open it. I'm gonna start uploading on TikTok too. Let's see. Like, I guess maybe like I can use these cards to get like SBCs or something. I don't know. Okay. Maybe I can get better luck with this. Yeah. It looks like I've run out of luck. This is my last pack, and I need to like get something good out of this. Please. Yeah, everything's bad fodder. Before I end this video, I want you guys in the comments to rate my team. So, here's my squad. Wait, I have a problem with the subs. Let me just, I use her for the SBC. Guess I'll put Christensen. So this is my squad. Rate it out of 10 in the comments. Oops. So 80, 85, yeah, that's my squad. And the video is over. I hope you enjoyed this, and please subscribe. I haven't uploaded in about almost 3 years now. So subscribe. Bye.